Hey guys, Josh here. I just wanted to share with you a quick Telegram chatbot that I built in n8n during my early days with the program. The video's a little old, so bear with me. Hey Stride, what should I build next? Alright, this is it. Very first log in my journey to building my own AI assistant. Her name is Stride. It's actually a name that I borrowed from my sci-fi series where she operates a pair of AI-powered prosthetic legs for the main character. Now, that version saves lives. This one just texts me back for now, but the goal is that one day she runs my entire business autonomously, intelligently, and with a bit of personality. Right now, she's just a humble little Telegram bot. She can understand my messages, even voice recordings, and reply using ChatGPT. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how she works, how I built her using n8n, and where she's headed next. Consider this the first entry in the devlog of a long experiment. I'm documenting everything, every failure, upgrade. Right now, she's barely at level 1, but this series is going to track her growth feature by feature from baby bot to business brain. So let me show you what she can do right now. Now, I'm going to send her a quick text, something simple, summation or client board, and there we have it. The response is coming straight from ChatGPT, typed through n8n with some memory tracking to, keep some context between the scenes. So let's hear tasks that are ideal. Automation, welcome emails, client data collection, automated account setup. Okay, cool. Now let's try voice. Hey Stride, I've actually been seeing these social media content automations floating around, and I thought it would be really cool if we added a feature that, say every week it researches my competitors and, sees what they're doing, and based on that behavior, plus my recent analytics and, relevant data like that, it will put together scripts for a couple videos for me every week. What do you think about that? All right, let's have a look here. Sounds like a fascinating and innovative project with a lot of potential benefits for keeping your content fresh and competitive. Let's evaluate this case across 4 key criteria: editiveness, time consumption. It's very scalable. Look at that. Now, that's not just cool, it's the foundation. Because if she can understand voice, then she can respond to hands-free commands when I'm walking, driving, working out, whatever. Right now, she's conversational, but the real goal is to make her proactive. Someone who suggests the next move without me having to ask. In fact, that's the reason I built this as a Telegram bot instead of a custom GPT, because with custom GPTs, they can't proactively message you without you messaging them first when you build them in n8n. Now, here is the brain of the whole operation. Stride's current command center built entirely inside n8n. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is it called a command center? Well, remember our vision to have an entire orchestra of workflows that this brain command that is essentially going to run my entire business. And so that's kind of why I figured we should call it the command center or something centralized like that. So this workflow listens for any new message that comes through Telegram, and that's what this first trigger node does right here. In fact, funny thing about the Telegram trigger, it doesn't actively listen for new messages until you've activated the workflow. If I flip it to inactive, then it will only listen when I hit execute workflow. Handy for testing. Okay, so that's what we got. Now, once the message comes in, we figure out, okay, is this actually a text message or is it a voice message? And it's going to go through just like that. Text gets sent straight to merge messages, and audio voice files are going to get sent through this transcription circuit first. Either way, they both get merged and then sent directly to the chat memory manager. Now, this is where it gets interesting. This tracks the conversation history, so Stride can remember context between messages. Eventually, I want her to use that memory to make better decisions, not just give better replies. From there, everything gets sent to OpenAI through this AI agent. I'm using GPT-03 for the advanced reasoning abilities, and then the response gets sent right back to me in Telegram. It's all real time, it's modular, and it's only going to get smarter from here. The best part is I can expand this workflow endlessly. Plug in Notion, Google Calendar, Slack, Stripe, whatever I need her to control next. So that's where Stride is today. Just smart enough to help me plan for next upgrade. But the real vision is I want her managing my calendar, summarizing meetings, tracking tweets, notifying me when it's time to follow up, maybe even launching some marketing automations of her own. I hope you really liked that demo. It was a lot of fun and a valuable learning experience. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.
Cutting through the blazing rain, thunder rolling, but I ride the wave again. Deep tide rising, hear the echo call.